Hi, this is Calvin of HCBR, Hill Country Building and Renovation. Today I am at our second story addition project. As you have seen in the first couple of videos, this house had a small section over to the right, second story. There was a bedroom and a loft up there, and we took that completely down because it was not going to work for the plan for the upstairs. So here I am. We're kind of getting to the end of our framing stage. We've been dealing with rain. You know, I can predict when it's going to rain because when we tear off a roof, it's going to rain, and it has. And we've done all kinds of things to keep the rain from getting inside of the existing house, which is the downstairs. So, as you can see, we're a long ways into the framing. We've got some trusses up there that were installed yesterday, and so the front part is going to be stick framed. Over here on this side of the garage, we will have another kind of a shed roof off to the side. And in front here, where the dumpster is and so forth, as you saw before in previous videos, there was a carport here, and we're going to rebuild this carport. So I'm just gonna kind of walk through here and explain what we're gonna do. This garage door is going to be replaced, and it's actually going to be moved over. And this beam up here is called an LVL. It's a laminated veneer lumber. It's a structural beam to be able to carry the weight of this exterior wall over the top of this garage door. Now, in addition to that, there's another LVL up here that carries the weight for that second floor wall, and it comes down on top of this garage door header. So that's why we use LVLs, because they carry the weight rather than using a 2x12. So here is the front door, and this wall here, this short wall with the front door, is going to come out, and it is going to move out here so that it will be flush with the front wall. This stair here, this was the original stair that goes up to the top. We're going to tear this out, and it's actually going to go the other direction. So it's going to start down here, and it is going to go up through there. So we got to take this ceiling out and so forth, so to make that work. I'm going upstairs. We got the framing here, and this floor had to be raised so that we were up above the air conditioning plenum up here. So we got a lot of room underneath this floor. So we had to build pony walls all the way around the outside and in sections on the inside to be able to support this floor, this new floor. This is a very technical and a very difficult job. And we have done all of this with weather that really hasn't been very nice to us. So we've had to cover. Even before the floor was on, we had to cover and wait out the rain. So we did so without a significant amount of damage downstairs. We've got a little bit of water that came in and just stained the sheetrock. Okay, so this portion here is vaulted. You see these trusses, they're called scissor trusses. So they have the pitch of the roof on the outside, on the top, and then they have a lower pitch that goes on the inside, which creates a vault. Very useful. They work out really well. So this door is huge. It's about 16 feet wide. It'll have 4 sliding doors on it. And look how that opens this up to this great view of the lake, Canyon Lake in the back. So, this is where we are at this point. So, we've got more rain coming, but not till next Monday. Today is Thursday. We've got the ceiling joist going in. The rafters are going to be put in between today and tomorrow. And then we're going to deck the roof. And then the roofer is coming in to roll his synthetic underlayment so that we'll be dried in. So we're kind of nearing the end of our difficult stage. The other thing that I didn't mention while I was over here, but on the back side of the house there's going to be a double deck. So there was a deck down here and that was removed, and we're going to build another deck for the first floor, and then we'll be building a deck up here for the second floor, and it will be covered because this roof that we have here will extend out over the deck with a couple of big tall columns. They're going to be wrapped with stone, and that will be really nice. So this is the kind of thing we do. We do difficult and technical jobs. Whether it's additions, we do steel buildings, detached buildings, garages, and so forth. So you can see some of our project highlights on our website, which is www.hcbrtexas.com. So, what's your next awesome project, and how can we help you with that?